Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making a new series of videos on PfSense, mainly due to several updates that have happened, and I really do appreciate a lot of the feedback I've gotten from my subscribers regarding um, the initial release of the PfSense videos. So traditionally we would start out with a setup video. This is PfSense already has been installed. Um, We're going to go through the initial configuration. We've set the interface IP address already through the console. So we're going to go ahead and configure the uh, initial setup of PfSense. So the default username, of course, is admin, password PfSense, all lowercase. And I'm not going to remember the password. And then we're going to get the wizard. So we're going to say next. Host name, PfSense, that's fine. I'm going to leave it at local domain. And I'm going to let the WAN feed me my DNS servers. Or alternately, I could specify some DNS servers there of my own. I'm going to set my time zone, which is America, New York for Eastern Time. WAN interface, I'm going to leave it at DHCP. That is the default, and the default is to block RFC 1918 networks and to block Wagon networks. So we're going to go ahead and just accept the defaults there. This is the IP that I've already assigned to the LAN interface. I'm going to leave that alone. And now it's going to require us to change the admin password. Now obviously we're going to want to choose something that that is going to be secure. This is our firewall after all. We don't want somebody getting into this and playing around, obviously. But you would set your password there, which I've done. And now it's going to reload. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've reloaded at this point, and it's going to congratulate us that PfSense has now been configured. And it's going to ask us to consider donating to the project to help with the overhead costs. So if you choose to do that, go ahead and click there. For right now, for the purposes of this video, obviously we're not going to make a donation at this point. We're looking to go on and continue to the PfSense web configurator. So we're going to click there. And then we're going to be taken to the dashboard. And the first thing that I do is I usually set my theme. And I like the wall. So I choose that, and that's usually the first thing that I do, is set that up. So at this point we have a working configuration. The firewall, if we take a look at the rules, the LAN should already have a default allow any rule. So you should be able to get out and use the firewall at this point. And then pretty much that's all you have to do. This is ready to go. Now I chose not to enable DHCP. That's an option when you go to set it up. If you want to enable DHCP on the LAN interface, that'll allow anything you connect to it to go ahead and grab an IP address and connect to the internet. But this is pretty much it. When you get the PfSense installed and you set the interface IP, by default I believe it's 192.168.1.1. But you set it at the console and you get in here and you configure it, and it's really that easy. I welcome any feedback. I thank you for watching, and I hope you find this information useful.